In this episode, idiots on the road, caught on the camera. Worst truck driver, did not expect the trailer to overturn. Moments caught. Dash cam shows what can happen if we do not apply the handbrake. A bird that made driving impossible caused a collision of cars. Drivers must be careful about such an unexpected event. The motorcyclist coming from the opposite direction overtook at the bend. He was very lucky. Drivers caused a collision, waited for the police to arrive, until the weather changed. Parking in this way can cause a lot of damage to the car. Too long trailer made it impossible to turn. In such a situation, the truck driver could not fit into the bend. On rushing roads, a lot of vehicles are out of order. It is dangerous at such moments. Dogs gnawing the car, damaged it, tearing out the front plastic wheel arches. The owner will have to suffer losses for the destruction. Car trailer, caught by inadequate connection. The poor condition of roads in Russia contributes to dangerous situations on the roads. Broken vehicles on Russian roads are nothing new. The bus failed to brake, leading to a collision. This incident could be avoided. The driver did not stop at the traffic lights, hitting another car. Situations like this happen often on the road. A truck with a semi-trailer did not fit under the bridge, causing damage to the vehicle and blocking the road. At the last moment, the driver of the red car remembered that he was going to take the exit. On Russian roads, there are many funny situations. The crossings happen very often. Collision. The reason is ignorance. The traffic rules. Drifting in the middle. The road looks very extreme. Not adapting to the traffic law, and high speed causes moments like this. The driver on the road, one direction, went against way road. There was a collision. The lack of caution of the driver turning to the right damaged the other car. The cargo was badly attached to the car. In Russia it's normal to drive like this. The car hit the side, the other by, not the attention of the driver. Two trucks ran into a collision and blocked the road. Drifting in a car on a bend is fun itself. Often at crossroads like this, situations such as collisions and misconduct take place. In such conditions, special care must be taken on the roads due to the poor adhesion of tires to the surface. Russians have a lot of collisions like this one. The bus driver could not bring out, at such a moment, a situation like this could have been avoided. A taxi, driving in this way, would not have many customers. This driver might drive a little more carefully.